Modern pork production operates on an unprecedented scale, moving thousands of animals across the globe in controlled environments.
All right, bring it up slowly now. Watch your clearance on the starboard side. Modern pork production emphasizes both animal welfare and industrial efficiency, utilizing state-of-the-art facilities like this one. Move on, let's go! Keep moving!
Efficiency is key to the modern facility. New cartridges are split automatically before moving to the cutting floor. A high-tech therapy allows the sow to safely nurse her litter, ensuring high survivability rates at the modern shelters.
Each piglet is weighed upon arrival to monitor health and growth metrics, a key component of modern production efficiency. Rhythmic and efficient, the automated feeders provide continuous nutrition, a cornerstone of modern pork production. To meet global demand, operations are scaled for maximum efficiency. Automated systems deliver precise nutrition to thousands of animals daily.
Please, certainly. Is there anything else today?